Adidas Samba. Mexico 2025 Colorway. In addition to producing the brand's current lifestyle icons, heritage football continues to be a primary emphasis for football, leading to the creation of limited edition pairs of the same shoes. The Mexican jerseys for CONCACAF are certainly the basis for the Adidas Samba Mexico, which is already acknowledged to belong to an exclusive range by Adidas, a striking match kit. The prominent motif from these future jerseys is matched by the tiled patterning that shines through on the embossed print over the three stripes branding on top of the paired gold-on-black coloring. The golden eagle, which is positioned on the tongue and sock liner, and the mesh foundation that this Mexico Samba uses, which switches to more breathable clothing given its on-court goals, are some last intriguing details. The Adidas Samba Mexico, which retails for $100 when it first arrives, will be available on March 14 through Adidas and affiliated stores.